The advantages of marble stairs. Dear friends, the biggest obstacle between you and the marble stairs you've always wanted in your home is the project's price. However, when you stop and think about just how many benefits your home receives from having marble stairs as a part of its makeup, you might just believe they are worth their price. Investing in marble floors, or, in this case, marble stairs, it's like giving your home an upgrade that is both eye-catching and functional. Here are a few of the advantages you'll see once you have the marble stairs in place. Long-term durability. If you constantly have kids and other family members going up and down the stairs, you know most materials are going to show wear and tear as the years go by. Not marble. Marble can withstand just about anything it has to take on and still look good. Marble stairs are durable enough to withstand some of the toughest bumps, even if something gets dropped down the stairs. With that kind of durability, you don't have to replace the material anytime soon, which makes it cost less in the long run. Easy cleaning. Stairs will never be easy to clean, and dragging a vacuum cleaner up and down the stairs is no simple feat. With marble floors, there isn't much maintenance to endure on the staircase. Most of the dusting work will be done with socks on feet as people go up and down the stairs, and a light wipe will do the rest. Most homeowners get their marble resealed as needed, and there's not much else they have to do to clean and protect them. Increased home value. Anytime you are able to upgrade your home with high-quality materials, you increase its value. Using marble on the staircase is a way to give your home a highly finished look. Often, stairs will show from the entryway, and upgrading to marble gives you a luxurious appeal. Marble is a versatile material that can be incorporated into a wide array of styles, all of which will increase the value of your home. Allergen-free elements. Many flooring materials hold on to allergens and can exacerbate problems for those with asthma or allergies. Marble is not one of them. Marble flooring and marble stairs are a great answer for those who have issues with either ailment. They don't trap dust or collect pollen or any other allergen, and they can help those with health issues breathe easier at home. Sheer beauty. If you're looking for a material that will show off your staircase unlike any other, marble stairs are a great answer. Marble has a unique coloring that is one of a kind with no duplicate patterns. It gives a cohesive look that is also unique and elegant. The sheer beauty of the stairs before and after they have marble on them will make a huge difference in the look of any home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.